Welcome, sir. Before we take this charcha ahead, I would request you to kindly give your introduction to our audience.
I am Dr. Narsingh Verma from Lucknow. I am practicing diabetologist there and I am also principal of a medical college at Lucknow.
The first question that I would put across is, how are diet and diabetes linked, and what are low glycemic index foods and what are high glycemic index foods?
Very good question, I will say. Actually, diet is linked with diabetes, and most importantly, diet has the major role in control of diabetes. If we want to control our diabetes, our diet should be according to sun. We should start taking food from the rise of sun and last meal should be before sunset. If we can follow this, then our management of diabetes will be excellent. Another thing which is important is that you want to eat something, your speed of taking meal should be very slow and you should take meal in sitting position, not in standing position, and just avoid taking water in between the meals. Small frequent meals will definitely help in management of diabetes.
Thank you.